Welcome to Shimoku. In today's data-driven world, staying ahead means leveraging data for insightful decisions. This is where Shimoku comes in, a pioneering platform that represents the future of data applications. Today we are going to presenting our first free product built on top our SDK, the User Overview template. First up, we have the Indicators section. This is where we track key metrics like registered and active users, weekly and monthly active users, new users, and subscribers. Moving on to pie charts. These colorful charts give us a snapshot of active versus inactive users across different periods. Yesterday, last week, and the past month using tabs as filters. Lastly, our time series plots. Here, we see active user trends over time, broken down by day and product. It's a great way to observe user engagement. Let's check the code. We are going to dive into the functions that plot the dashboard. For a more detailed dive into the structure of a Shimoku project, check out our previous video about the cross-selling template. This method serves as the constructor for the UserOverview class. It establishes fundamental properties like the name of the menu path, and it initializes the order variable to a default value of 0. This is the main function responsible for plotting the entire user overview page. It sequentially calls other plotting methods to display different sections of the page. The plot header method creates an attractive header for user overview page, featuring a stylish title, a documentation link, and a background image for enhanced visual appeal. This function plots key performance indicators, KPIs, on the page. It converts a data frame containing KPI data into an array and displays it as indicators with various attributes like value, title, description, color, and alignment. Plot active users method creates tabs and pie charts to display active and inactive users over different time frames, 24 hours, weekly, and monthly. This function plots a bar chart showing the number of active users on a weekly basis. It processes the data to group users by the week of the year and then plots the result. This method plots information about newsletter subscribers. It uses a pie chart to show the proportion of subscribed versus non-subscribed users. This method displays the number of new users registered each week. It does so by grouping user registration data by week and account type, and then visualizes it using a line chart. And that wraps up our tour of the User Overview template. It's amazing how easy it is to create such insightful and interactive dashboards, isn't it? Remember to check out our GitHub repository. You'll find all the code we discussed today, plus a lot more to explore and experiment with. Dive in, play around with the code, and see what amazing things you can create. Don't forget to follow us on our social media. Stay tuned for more updates, tools, and tips to help you unlock the full potential of your data with Shimoku. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.